My name is Jesse Obeso, and I'm a retired Chief Deputy with the Imperial County Sheriff's Office with over 30 years of experience. And I endorse Rick Mackin for Sheriff on June 3rd. I have known Rick for 30 years and worked closely with him for 21 years at the Sheriff's Office. Rick has worked, supervised, or managed every major division during his career. He understands county government and can work closely with county officials to speed up and move the county process forward quickly and in the best interest of the residents of Imperial County. Rick is committed to returning the Sheriff's Office to its position as the lead law enforcement agency in the county. He understands the needs of both the rural communities and agricultural communities in Imperial County. He is committed to returning the services that have been neglected during the last 8 years. I know Rick will do what he says he's going to do. He will return vital services to the rural areas of Imperial County and provide the best services to all residents of Imperial County. This is why I support Rick Mackin for Sheriff. And remember, vote Rick Mackin for Sheriff on June 3rd.